This is part of Accra. I won't mention the area specifically. This farm, because of water crisis, is stop production, and we are going to revive the farm using the recirculating aquaculture system. And that is the secret. Uh, Water scarcity and pollution made them stop production, but with the RAS, you can keep production because we are not going to be polluting the environment, and also we are not going to use much water, so they can go with that. So we just measure these 2 ponds. This is about 1,200 capacity farm pond. So I recommend you should stock 1,000, and that'll be fine. And this is 800. So we just calculated the stocking density. So we can also set this up for you. Either you have yours running and you stop and you want that to revive it, or it's still running, but because of the water problem or the water scarcity, or you are taking off the water that is polluting the environment, you can set the RAS for you and you are good to go. Or you want a completely or entirely farm setup, we can do that. If you want a tapoli pond, we do that. If you want a concrete pond, we can guide you, get a medicine, then you construct it, and we cure it, and you are good to go. This is very cost effective, especially considering the fact that we are not going to change the water all the time. Consider the fact that we are not going to discharging dirty water in the environment where you have problem with issues with your neighbors. So this is very fine, and we are good to go.